Hello everyone and welcome back to Shubhangi coding in magical world. So today I will be telling you all this how can you put this in right or left, okay, or at top. So let's get started. So first of all, here you have to just do right left. Here you can see properties. So now just click at that. You will able to see taskbar. So here you can see taskbar location on screen. So it's at bottom, but if you do it at top, just see the magic. So the taskbar is at top, okay? So the taskbar is at top. So I guess you can put it in the top. Um, you can put it in the right also, like this. Okay. You can put it in the left also. Okay, you can put it in the left also. Properties. Okay, what happened? Okay, just wait a second. Just give me a second. Yeah. So right now I'm giving it as bottom only, okay? So like this you can change it. So thanks for watching. Hope you all like the video. If like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye everyone.